time is right now.
Hi, welcome to Surprisingly Geeky. I'm LunarDawn. This is on debit. You're here. Hey, I killed you guys already. Oh wait, I died.
Did I track that one?
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Beef.
2,000.
Yeah, I almost had enough for it.
What's the best way to grind for bolts in this game? Besides the, stupid trick.
Basically to go back to previous levels and look for crates.
That's it?
Yeah.
Does this game even have, does this one even have, like, the gladiator arena?
No, I don't believe it does. Hey!
There you go.
How do I do that?
I don't know. You should have tried your...
No, I don't feel that that would be far enough.
No?
No. Who's shooting at me?
It's close, but no cigar.
What's that guy? God.
Is there a way up to the ceiling from the building, you think?
From this side, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe. Alright, let me see. Let's see. Block 2. Oh, that's a good place for you. Alright, there we go. Nope, 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 nope.
That's it.
No, did you hear me? I was going nope, 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 so
Oh, that doesn't count then?
not a death.
And then, why is it the meter going up?
Well, because you're touching it. Stop that.
Done.
I'm not impressed.
No?
No. What the hell was that? Oh, hey, look at it.
What am I looking at?
Hey, look at this.
Oh, this guy. Awesome.
What's up there that he shot at? You know, maybe I can get over there when I get my rocket cactus thing.
Probably what it is.
Awesome. Wah! He is a powerful little guy.
It's really nice. It doesn't seem like he's gonna go anywhere. It seems like he's gonna continue following you until you die.
I'm pretty sure eventually he'll go away. Pretty sure. He just blew up.
That's too bad.
I guess he was putting his life into those shots. Sad.
I'll make you think twice before summoning the next one. Eh?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
There we have it. College Heartless, or LunarDawn.
You can call me Holly sometimes, that's okay. I like my name.
Hello, Scottish 1996. Thanks for tuning in.
I wonder how long that's been up there. I'm sorry if we didn't notice it sooner.
So, thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, thanks. Hi, we like saying hi.
Do you have enough for it yet?
I don't think so. No, I do. How stupid is that? It only gives you half the ammo. You have to purchase the other half.
That is pretty lame. I can't believe that took like 4 shots. Kill.
I was expecting like maybe 2.
And go get the help.
In a second.
In a second, you might be dead.
Well, yeah, but I wanna go over here. These plants are kind of cool.
Yeah, pretty neat looking.
I could dig some plants like that. Anyone knows?
So that's the end of this episode. Thanks for watching. We'll be back in just a second.